Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are dealing with bearing. My name is Brighton. Thank you once again for your views and for your support. Without you, this channel cannot grow, but I'm receiving tremendous support from you guys. Okay, let's go into our questions. The first question says, express south 42 degrees east to 3 figure bearing. South 42 degrees east is a compass bearing. Okay, express north. The second question says, express north 30 degrees west to 3 figure bearing. This one also is compass bearing. Finally, express north 55 degrees east to 3 figure bearing. Okay, I've drawn the diagram for us to answer the first question. So the angle between south and this line here is 42 degrees. That's why the compass bearing of this angle here, which is shaded, is south 42 degrees east. So we want to convert or express it as a 3 figure bearing. Remember, 3 figure bearing starts from north and turning clockwise. So this angle is 42 degrees. So for us to express as 42 degrees east in 3 figure bearing, must know the size of this arc of this angle here. Okay, remember, from north to south is 180 degrees. So the size of this angle, for us to get it, we say 180 degrees minus the 42 degrees here, we get 138 degrees. So our 3 figure bearing here is 138 degrees. So south 42 degrees east in 3 figure bearing is 138 degrees. Now, second diagram, we want to express north 30 degrees west in 3 figure bearing. So 3 figure starts, as I said, from north clockwise. So we must find the size of this angle here up to this line, starting from north up to this line. But remember, here is a 1 revolution, you get is 360 degrees. So for us to get the size of this angle here, we must say 360 degrees minus 30, this 30 degrees here, which is shaded here. 360 degrees minus 30 degrees, we get 330 degrees. So that's our 3 figure bearing. So north 30 degrees west equals to 330 degrees in 3 figure bearing. And then finally, we want to change north 55 degrees east, and we want to express it in 3 figure bearing. Okay, so the 55 degrees is this one between north and this line. So this one as a 3 figure bearing is 0.55 degrees. So if you remember, we said in the previous videos, I said if an angle is less than 100, you put a 0 before the numbers. We prefix it with a 0 so that it can be 3 digits. Okay, thank you for watching. Meet you in the next videos, and thank you once again for your support.